I can't find the capacitor on my blower motor. The system was installed in 2009.
Hello. My name is I'll do my best to help. Let's get started and see what we can do. Do you know the model on the unit blower is installed in? If it is a furnace, the capacitor will usually be within 8 inches of the blower mounted to the side or front of the blower housing with a metal bracket. If you can give model on unit, I can tell you where it should be. You should be able to follow the brown wire from motor to locate it also. Please wait to rate answer until you are satisfied with my answer and feel I have earned a rating of 3 or higher. Remember, you can continue follow-up for up to 30 days after rating with no additional charges. I am here to help you solve your problem, not just grab your money and run. I strive for 100% customer satisfaction. If this does not solve your problem, we can go from here.
I'll give you $100 if you can fix this. I live in Florida and only have a heat pump. The AC model Puron FX4C.
I will be happy to assist you. I see the question was that you are trying to locate the capacitor. Do you need help troubleshooting or just finding the capacitor? I attaching a drawing showing where capacitor should be. If drawing doesn't load, go to this link, http://i.anger.com/vfjpuf.png.
I actually removed that entire fan and there is no capacitor attached at all. Just wired from the fan to a plug clip I disconnected. My AC fan stopped blowing, which caused the unit to freeze. I took the cover off the unit and turned it on, and the fan turned real slow and was kind of stuttering and then just stopped.
Okay, you may have a variable speed motor. Brian used both a PSC motor and a variable speed on these air handlers. How many wires are in the plug you disconnected? And does the motor have a bell mounted to end?
Did my last answer come through?
I did not see last post. Can you try once more?
Brown, yellow, black on the clip, blue with a spade plug on a circuit board and green ground on a screw. Aluminum end on fan held on with 2 long bolts. Can I bench test the motor?
Okay, it sounds like you have what is called an X13 motor. In this case you will not have a capacitor. The motor operates on 230 volts but is controlled by 24 volts. It is a bit more difficult to troubleshoot than a PSC permanent split capacitor motor, but with the factory manual, a video and a multimeter, it is relatively a simple troubleshooting procedure. This will not be a 5-minute question, but if you are willing to put in the time and have a voltmeter, I will be happy to work with you under the additional service plan to the end, regardless if it takes us an hour or several days.
What is the cost of that plan? What would you suggest I do? Could it just be a motor needing to be replaced?
I sent you an additional service offer. The cost is $85.00. Your issue can be in the motor, in the high voltage circuit or in the low voltage circuit. To be honest with you, usually is the motor, but these motors sell for $400 and up, so I like to verify before condemning. If you are not ready to commit to the offer, I can still give you some guidance up to a point that this takes over an hour, at which time I would ask you accept the offer to continue.
I'm not sure I am ready to pay an additional $85, but if there are a few pointers you can give me within the time span, it would be appreciated.
No problem at all. First of all, let me send you a link to a YouTube video on troubleshooting these motors. It is about 13 minutes long, well put together by National Organization of NATE. Very helpful and informative. Take a look and then yell back at me. https://www.youtube.com/watch v = k fixoik 9c.
I don't have a book, but there is a sticker diagram that shows BRN is common, green ground, blue is 2, black is L, and yellow is N. What is the 2 liters and N? I also don't know if this is 110 or 220. It's a double breaker, so that should be 220?
Let me see if I have the manual handy. Be right back. Sorry about taking so long. I knew this one would not be a simple 5-minute deal. Finally found you a manual and have labeled the wires going to motor plug for you. The motor as mentioned operates on 230 volts, but speed is controlled by 24 volts. I am also sending you a diagram with no labeling so you can see where wires go to and from. Here is diagram with no labels blocking view of wiring. If files did not open, copy these links: http://i.imgur.com/70carx9e.png, http://i.imgur.com/uxiitdp.png.
Is yellow neutral?
Yes, black and yellow are your high voltage wires. Black is L2, yellow is L1. If you follow the diagram from the plug, you will see they connect to the high voltage wires. You should have 230 volts between black and yellow. Looking over my questions today, I see you have not replied or left rating. Please rate answer below if you feel I have earned a rating of 3 or higher, as that is how I am compensated. Otherwise, let me know how I may assist further. Thanks again. You can also return to question for up to 30 days to follow up at no additional cost.
Sorry, Tim. It does look like the motor is bad. I am concerned about the relay on the heat pump and the transformer and how to test them.
Thanks for allowing me to work with you on the question about the motor. If satisfied with my help, you can open a new question about your other concerns of your relay and transformer. Just start question with airheatman, and it will be sent to my desk.
Tim, if I pay for another question, can you help me find the right replacement for the best price? I have some motors I found online but want you to help me know if they're compatible.
I will be happy to. However, it is extremely busy at the moment. Guess it must be cold in northern states. I am currently working with 6 customers right now with gas furnace issues. If you can be patient, I will be happy to help you with this. Also, if you want to go ahead and send what you find, I will take a look.
We're all good now. Thank you.
Thanks. Sorry it was so hectic the other day. Happy New Year.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.